So right guys, starter relay is done. Like I said, swapped around, put it all back together. That's all good. We have power to the engine. It does swing over. I'm putting everything back on and we are basically done. So yeah, we'll put the tank on first. Tank on, connect the fuel line, get it going, make sure she runs smoothly, and don't forget, we're gonna still have to do the fuel after the oil. Just double check that again. Alright, but let's get that going for now. Guys, air filter is going back on. Cover. Alright guys, I'm going to clean the chain now. I've taken the chain guard off, very well worn. I'm going to clean the chain with the Spaniard brake chain and clutch cleaner. So the bike is in neutral. I'm just going to swing it around, and as I go, it will go. Alright, now I've done the outside. How good it cleans, just easy. Alright guys, so I've taken some of the chain, brake and clutch cleaner and a bit of a brush just to get the sprocket clean. So I'm just taking a wet cloth and I'm just going to wipe it down in a way. Okay, so after you've sprayed on the chain cleaner, just gonna run a cloth. Well, I do it just to make sure all the muck is off, all the dirt. Okay. So now we go over to the chain lube. Alright, again, very good product, very nice. It is red in color, but it becomes a bit tacky. Once it dries, you can go right in the sand, you can go right in the mud, and you will not have any sticky mud particles on your chain. Right, sit like this way. Okay, I've reached wholesomeness, and now I will just be doing it on the inside here. Don't be scared, guys. You know, I always feel I'd rather spray on a lot. Doesn't take much. Right, now you let it sit for 10 minutes. When 10 minutes is done, we'll be back. Alright guys, so I've set the chain tension. Basically just moved the 2 clicks back on either side. Tightened it slightly a little bit, just to make sure that the tension is correct. So what you want is basically over here is so that it doesn't touch your swing arm when the bike is on tension, which I've done. I've checked it, and it's spot on. So now I'm just going to tighten up the wheel nut, and that's it. Alright, so now we're going to go on to the chain wax. So it's dry, and we're going to apply the chain wax. So it's clear in color. So chain wax time. So just do this all the way around your chain, and obviously you will see where you started and where you stopped. Alright. Good on either side. Just liberally, guys. The more you spray, the better your chain will keep. So now that's all out the way, we put the chain guard back on. Spot. There you go. On there. On there. What I'm going to do is I found they were cable tied previously, so I managed to find some bolts and nuts in my garage, which fit them. So you put a nut on the back just to help it keep in place. And I shall do the same on this front one. Come on. Me and my big fingers and small spaces don't always go hand in hand. Okay, voila. That's done. So chain guard's back on and we are good. Now it's putting the fairings on, bash plate, crash bars, and then we start her. Well, hey guys, so this is the last screw. This is the fuel tap. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos like I did in making them. Again, like, subscribe, comment, any questions, we can do it. We can try. Keep safe. Have a good one. Cheers.